Welcome to this video tutorial on finding court forms. This is a presentation by Alberta Law Libraries. To start a proceeding, you'll need to find, complete, and file forms with the courts. Individuals who are representing themselves in court without a lawyer, better known as self-represented litigants, may find this video helpful. We'll provide answers about where to find, save, and print forms, and how to find instructions to fill them out. The majority of court forms can be accessed from the Alberta Courts website. A select number of forms can be found on alberta.ca, and a few may be found through our library's e-resources, such as the Contentious Matters form on Westlaw Edge. Be sure to check out our website for additional information on finding court forms and precedents under Navigating Legal Information. The Alberta Courts website is divided into 3 levels of court: Court of Appeal, Court of King's Bench, and Court of Justice. Each level deals with different matters. The first step in finding forms is knowing which level of court the forms will be filed in and selecting the area of law that's applicable. For example, if we're looking for family law forms for the Court of King's Bench, then we'd go to albertacourts.ca, select King's Bench, and then select Family. Common areas of law are family and civil. For information on different areas of law, you can visit Alberta Law Libraries, Centre for Public Legal Education Alberta, CPLE, or the Alberta Courts website. Each level of court has its own forms. Try to get the exact name or number of the form you need when you're speaking with a court clerk. There are a lot of documents with similar names, and it can get confusing. Ask Court and Justice Services if you need help. To address the issue of obsolete or wrong jurisdiction in court forms, make sure to use the Alberta Courts website for correct documents. Do not rely on Google searches. While Alberta Law Library staff are not able to help you fill out the forms, since only lawyers are qualified to do that, there may be some duty counsel or reduced rate legal services in the building of your courthouse that can help you. Check with Court and Justice Services to see what's available to you, and library staff may also be able to direct you. Court forms generally come in PDF or Microsoft Word format. If you have trouble opening a PDF, here are some tips that may help. Try downloading the file and then opening the file from your computer. Right-click the downloaded file, select Open With, and choose Adobe Acrobat. Alternatively, try opening the forms in Firefox. Ensure you save your document when finished. If you're on a public computer, email a copy of the document to yourself or save it on a flash drive. If you're using your email, be sure you know your email password and have a phone with you for 2-factor authentication. You can print your forms at most Alberta Law Libraries locations. You may have to print, copy, and scan your forms multiple times. Forms may need attachments such as screenshots or other supporting materials. Be sure to ask the courthouse clerks how many copies to print and what other documents you may need to include. To file your court documents, the following methods can be used: in-person filing, email filing, or online filing through a form. You'll need to determine which of the following methods can be applied in filing the documents and what's needed for each of the different methods. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in this video, please visit our libraries in person or visit our website, Alberta Law Libraries, under Navigating Legal Information, Finding Court Forms. To get in touch with us, you can fill out an Ask a Law Librarian form on the library's website. It'll connect you to library staff, who monitor the email from Monday to Friday, 8:15 a.m. to 4:00 p.m. You can also contact us through our general email, lawlibrary@just.gov.ab.ca.